Hi, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to walk through how you can buy Audible audiobooks on your Apple iPhone or iPad. It can be incredibly confusing when you search for a book you want in the Audible app for iPhone or iPad and there's no way to purchase it. This is because you can't purchase audiobooks in the Audible app. You can, however, navigate to the Amazon website in the Safari browser and purchase audiobooks through there. And now, let's walk through how to purchase Audible audiobooks in the Safari browser on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Launch Safari or any other web browser on your Apple iPhone or iPad, and then navigate to Amazon.com. Step 2. Tap Sign in the upper right corner of the Amazon home screen if you aren't signed into your Amazon account by default. You'll arrive at a sign-in screen. Enter the username and password associated with your account and then tap the orange Sign In button. You'll be returned to the Amazon home screen where you'll be signed into your account. Step 3. Tap Departments in the menu row that appears directly beneath the search bar. The Departments screen appears. Step 4. Scroll down the screen until you see Books. Tap Books. A drop-down menu appears beneath Books. Step 5. Tap Audible Audiobooks in the list of options that appear in the drop-down menu. The Audible Audiobooks screen appears. Step 6. Type the name of the book you're looking for in the search bar that appears toward the top of the Audible Audiobooks screen, and then tap the yellow icon to the right of the search bar that looks like a magnifying glass. A list of search results appears. Step 7. Tap the name of the audiobook that appears in the search results that you want to buy. An information screen for that audiobook appears. Step 8. Scroll down directly beneath the book and select either Buy with 1 credit or Buy with 1 click. In this example, I'll choose to buy this audiobook with 1 credit, and will then tap Buy Now with 1 credit. You'll be taken to a Start Listening Now page, confirming that you've successfully purchased your desired Audible audiobook. From here, you can download and listen to the audiobook you just purchased through the Audible native app, which is available for free through the Apple App Store. Congratulations! You now know how to purchase Audible audiobooks through the Safari web browser on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching. Click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.